Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a purge valve on a Ford Fusion. This valve is crucial for your vehicle's evaporative emissions system, preventing fuel vapors from escaping. Before starting, ensure your engine is cool and gather necessary tools such as pliers, a 7mm socket, and a small pick. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before beginning any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To access the purge valve, first gently remove the upper engine cover by wiggling and lifting it straight up. The purge valve is usually found mounted on the intake manifold. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by squeezing its locking tab and pulling it away. Then, detach the two vapor lines connected to the valve. One often has a green locking tab requiring a squeeze and push. With the old valve removed, take a moment to clean the mounting area to ensure a proper seal for the new part. Now, carefully position the new purge valve onto its bracket or mounting studs, securing it firmly. Reconnect the two vapor lines, listening for a distinct click to confirm they are fully seated. Finally, attach the electrical connector, ensuring it also clicks securely into place. After installing the new valve, reinstall the engine cover and any other components you removed. Reconnect the negative battery terminal, ensuring it is tight. If your check engine light was on, use a scan tool to clear any diagnostic trouble codes. Finally, take your Ford Fusion for a test drive to confirm the new purge valve is functioning correctly and that no new codes appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.